Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into Rudy Fail's experience, building a seemingly simple web application. It's a great case study in how easily things can escalate in software development.
Absolutely. The title promised easy, but the journey sounds anything but. He started with a Python utility, right? What was the initial goal?
Yeah, he had this Python script that sent multiple CURL requests to a WordPress site's XMLRPC endpoint. The goal was to make it more user-friendly for his coworkers by turning it into a web app. A simple task, one might think.
Right. So he initially considered PHP, but decided against it. Why?
He thought it was too much work for such a small app, even though a PHP solution would have been quick. Instead, he opted for a Python web framework, first considering Django, then Flask, and finally settling on Bottle, a micro-framework. Smart move, considering the project's scope.
I see. So Bottle worked, but he wasn't happy with the user experience. What was the issue?
The initial Bottle app made all the requests synchronously, meaning users had to wait for the entire process to complete before seeing results. He wanted a more responsive experience, so he decided to use JavaScript and the Fetch API. A bold move, but it led to some unexpected challenges.
Ah, yes, the CORS issue. That's a common headache. Can you explain what happened?
Exactly. Because the JavaScript requests originated from a different domain than the target WordPress site, the browser blocked them due to core security restrictions. He initially tried to work around this by creating a Node.js server with a REST API as an intermediary, but that quickly became a massive undertaking. Too much complexity for such a small project.
So he essentially went from a simple Python script to a full-blown client-server architecture, only to abandon it?
Yep. He realized the Node.js solution, with its dependencies and maintenance overhead, was far more trouble than it was worth. After 72 hours of wrestling with JavaScript, async functions, promises, and CORS, he went back to the simple Bottle app. A humbling experience, I'm sure.
It certainly sounds like it. So the moral of the story is sometimes simpler is better?
Precisely. He learned a valuable lesson about keeping things simple and avoiding unnecessary complexity. While the initial Bottle app required users to wait for the request to complete, it was far more maintainable and less prone to issues than the more complex Node.js solution. A valuable lesson for all developers.
Absolutely. It highlights the importance of carefully considering the trade-offs between features, maintainability, and development time. Thanks for breaking down this insightful article.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Join us tomorrow for another exciting deep dive into the world of technology. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye-bye.